and welcome to Yoga with Goga. It is an unboxing video. Like, this package finally arrived and it is one of the biggest splurges Yoga with Goga as a channel I think has had. But we deserved it. We earned it. We earned it. So get ready, find a comfortable seat. We are going to be here for a while. Let's test this out.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't.
Let's test this beauty out. Alright? My colleague attended a conference last week, so he just came back from the United States this week. So this is fresh from New York. Of course, shipping charges from Amazon are always crazy. So I'm just lucky that at least I had him coming from, there. He's my plug. So I've already opened the box. I just wanted now to open this other box together. Whew, it's a bit of a heavy piece of thing. So let me just get rid of this paper. Yeah, that is it, guys. That is it. I'm finally the owner of a Blue Yeti. This is definitely not a cheap microphone. Let me just be very clear. But you know what? We've been working so hard, and yes, we deserve this. We deserve this beauty, and I'm so excited just to open it. Look at that. Look at that. The packaging is just like phenomenal. Like, look at that. Look at that. It's like it's still packed. I've not even opened any part. So that's what we are going to do. So you can check out a few things here. Yeah, let's just savor the beauty that is this. This is a beautiful pack. Like, this is a very beautiful device. Like, it just looks fancy.
Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting.
So we're just going to unwrap it real quick, and then we see whether we can set it up and then test out, its sound effects and things like that. Okay, so I guess I have to open it from this side. No? Here? Yeah, there seems to be like a sticker here. Do this. So let's do that. Come. Yes, slowly. And then I don't want to ruin the packaging just in case. Yeah. Voila! It's open. It's open. It's open. Wow. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. Oh my goodness. This is, oh my god, it looks beautiful. Oh, it looks beautiful. I'm excited. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I'm just so excited. Guys, you know, like when you have a new thing, like it always just feels like very, oof, wow, look at that. Oh, there's like a paper here or something. Like the Yeti. This is very nice. This looks like easy to use to just set up. I like this. I like these simple things. These simple things. I don't like very detailed manuals. So this is the first thing you see. Okay. And there's like a cable here. A USB cable. Oh, and then there's a styrofoam here, packaging it nicely to avoid any damages. So now I'm going to just do a time lapse on this one so that I can put everything on the table, and then we look at them one by one.
An argument or just the start of it. Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have to.
You can see that's what it looks like. Wow, I thought it would be like a lot of moving parts like my old video, but remember the first microphone I got, the gift? I thought like it would be the same, but this just seems to be like one unit. I'm just going to pull it out very slowly. Oof! Jeez, this is like so heavy. It's like very heavy. Okay, let's be careful here. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Come on.
For this, I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence.
So we've already unveiled it, so let me now get into the studio so that we can test this beauty out, and then we can also test my old microphone, and then we compare the sounds and see whether it was worth the upgrade. If you're here so far, I know you're excited about this. I'm so excited about this, but look at this, guys. This thing is beautiful, and then I like how it's like heavy metal here. It's like, I like the silver vibes it has there. Just see that. Yeah, like the silver is amazing. The bass is so cool. I love everything about it. It looks very nice. It looks very nice. Let me test it out. I have to go to the studio, and then now from there we see what it looks like, and let's see whether we can enjoy this new acquisition. Woo, even how it swings. I love it. It looks very fancy. Currently I'm just using my normal computer sound. But now I want to see whether I can test it and see the kind of sound that comes out of the Yeti, and then we can make an assessment. So this is the computer sound. I hope you've captured this. Now let us try the Yeti sound. We plug it onto a USB port on the computer. Done. This is the Yeti, so you can see. So I'm just going to put there's a USB place to plug this, so I'm just going to do that. So you plug it there. Okay, done. So you can see I've just done that. And then there's also like a place for 3.5 mm jack for the earphones, so you can see that part. Just adjust it a bit. So I'm also going to insert my earphones there. So I don't need a sound card with this one, I guess, because all these things seem to be here. So you can see there's a volume, there's the mute thing there, there's a volume adjustment there, there's gain, there's a pattern. Pattern, I think, shows you the kind of sounds according to the manual. It tells you where you want the sound to come from. So you can see this. You can see this, it can come from down, it can come from this. Which is good to know, And then according to the manual, you also need to keep the microphone upright. So it doesn't need to be tilted. So it's on here. It's on. Let me see my settings. Let me see my audio settings. I'm not so sure that it's on. Oh, wow. It's just plug and play. I'm sure it's just plug and play. This is so cool. The computer just picked it up and then it's just playing. Now I think I'm totally now on the Yeti sound. And interestingly enough, it also has speakers and stuff, so you can also play with speakers here. Let me say that I can increase my voice. Mic test 1 2. Mic test yoga with Goga 1 2. Mic test. Wow, that is so dope. Yeah, so you can keep increasing the volume and maybe reduce it. And then there's I don't know what gain does or things like that, but we'll see the pattern. Mic test, trying out the Yeti microphone. Mic test 1 2. All right, that seems to work fine. Doesn't need any software, it doesn't need anything. I just decided to press plug and play, and then it did. So another thing I want to compare is how the Yeti functions. If you compare it, especially in terms of the range of motion. My other microphone, you have to speak into it in a certain angle. I want to say that the Yeti, even if I go as far as possible, mic test 1 2, mic test mic test. How you doing? How you doing, guys? Mic test 1 2. Don't worry about me. I don't have my green screen on today. Mic test 1 2. Yeah, so it seems to pick up pretty well. All right, so that is that. So I want to now just do a comparison. We see. This is Yoga with Goga testing out the Yeti microphone. This is Yoga with Goga testing out the Yeti microphone, the Blue Yeti microphone. This is Yoga with Goga. This is Yoga with Goga. So I'm trying from different angles, and then I want to bring in my old mic and just compare. So with this other microphone, it was very unidirectional. So you can see it has like, you only had to speak along this round thing that is inside there. Mic test 1 2, mic test 1 2, mic test 1 2. Mic test 1 2. This is Yoga with Goga, the weekly check-in. Thank you so much for popping in into the live stream. Please give me a thumbs up if you haven't already. If you have reached this far in the test of the Yeti, please click this button here. It's just for free. It's for free. Click like. So you can see, you can't even compare the two. Like the Yeti wins every single time. Like this one, the moment I move like this, you can't hear my voice. Like it's totally lost. The voice is totally lost when I move side like that. Mic test. Can you hear me, guys? So I always had to speak like super close to the mic like this. It's good though, because if I want to play around with these things like you know, yeah, I love it because of those kind of things. Applause, the sound card. The Yeti definitely throws in a whole difference in the entire thing. So this is my old mic, and then this is the Yeti. So there it is. Now listen to the sound quality, and you can hear anything. I just like how it picks all this. It's a very sensitive microphone for sure. Let me play around with this gain and stuff. I see what happens. Mic test 1 2, mic test 1 2. So it's gaining from, not from the top, but from the sides. Still works. Mic test 1 2. How you doing? This is Yoga with Goga weekly check-in. And then that's the all round. So that one picks sound from everywhere. I will test this out on my Sunday service live stream, and then we can be playing around with these microphones and see what they are. So between the Yeti and the generic mic, which one do you prefer me to do the live streams with? Please write down there on the comments. I will see you on the next one. But thank you so much for keeping me company. I'm loving this new device. I love it. The Blue Yeti is definitely a worthy acquisition by Yoga with Goga, and I'm looking forward to see the amazing stories we are going to create with it. All right, bye guys. Take care of yourselves. Namaste. Bye guys. Woo! Damn, this is dope. All right.